Danke bafethu. So ama-reports aphumayo laphana kuthiwa i-midfielder ye-Orlando Pirates naye uline yokuthi ishiye i-Orlando Pirates i-team yaseSoweto yabo. So njengoba sibonile ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates i-captain yakhona irithayile and then-ke no-team ba-announce-ile ukuthi uyayishiya i-Orlando Pirates and then uzojoyina enye i-team laphana ku-PSL. UGoodman Mosele laphana naye kuyabhiliviwa ngempela noma sekuvelile ukuthi uzoyishiya i-Orlando Pirates, just ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates idila nga-one player at the time yabo. Kuthiwa at this moment i-Orlando Pirates ithatha izinto zayo slowly ukuthi i-addresse wonke ama-players like ahambayo. So uGoodman-ke naye kuthiwa uyahamba ngempela yabo. Kuthiwa this time around ngeke athole i-loan move ngoba last time sambona laphana adlala ku-Chippa United eziplayer le-Orlando Pirates but akuloni, but it's believed ukuthi i-club i-Orlando Pirates ngeke i-renew i-contract yakhe maye expire at the end of the month njengoba vele sesikuye uJune yabo. But-ke is one of the few players laphana expected ukuthi Orlando Pirates ba-release this month yabo, kusho-ke i-source laphana yabo. I-second insider ene-information laphana ku-Orlando Pirates yasho ukuthi kunama-few players ngempela azohamba ku-Orlando Pirates njengoba kuzofika uSihle Nduli obuya laphana kulokhunjana ku-Stellenbosch njengoba kufinalizwa i-move yakhe ngempela. Kuthiwa-ke bazokhatha off some of the players. UGoodman-ke naye uzoba one of the victims ezoshiya le club yaseSoweto. So uMosele kujoyine i-Orlando Pirates ngo-2021 from iBaroka FC. Lo mdlali lona ona-25 uspende i-2023 laphana ku-Chippa United akuloni, wenza kahle kakhulu waze wafika nakuBafana Bafana, bake bambiza kuBafana Bafana sambona vele lapha kuBafana Bafana edlala ngoba bedlala kahle kakhulu lapha ku-Chippa United, but-ke izinto azange zihambe kahle mebuya ku-Orlando Pirates. This season i-Orlando Pirates mebuya nje udlale a few games but-ke mawubheka kulawo ma-few games bekangadlali like ama-few games, bengena lapho nalapho yabo. Azange enze like i-impact like enkulu because Orlando Pirates besegijimisa amakhapha amaningi kakhulu just before isizini iphela, so bokunzima kakhulu ukuthi a-adapte naye. As things stand njengoba Orlando Pirates izo-announce ama-new arrivals laphana ethimini, uGoodman-ke contract yakhe izophela, uzoba yi-free agent. So potentially-ke kunama-teams waku-PSL angambheka ukuthi anga-offera laphana i-experience ne-strength sakhe laphana kuma-teams a-different yabona, njengoba seke waziprova laphana ku-Chippa United previously-ke bewaziprova kuBaroka nakunokuthi-ke seke wabizwa laphana kuBafana Bafana. I think lokho kuzomenza ukuthi abe attractive or ama-team amaningi abe attracted to yena ukuthi bangakwazi ukum-add-a ethimini yabo njengoba enayo-ke uGoodman laphana i-experience yokudlala ku-PSL for iminyaka, nanokuthi-ke uma-team amancane njengoba belapha ku-Chippa United bedlala kahle kakhulu meyincane i-team, I think i-pressure ayikho that much, so I think he would do well ema-teamini amancane, just that because i-team efana ne-Orlando Pirates ine-pressure e-serious, so I think bekacindezeleke kakhulu. Nanokuthi midfielder ye-Orlando Pirates is very impactful mawubheka khona i-competition i-tight, khona uMbatha, khona uMakhawula, khona manje abafana abasha abafikile laphana oSlebe, khona nalo yi-captain ye-DDC, khona laphana uMaswangaye ezi-free role. So kunzima kakhulu laphana ku-midfield ye-Orlando Pirates, ingakho abanye abadlali bezodedelwa. Khona noNdlondlo, asazi ukuthi kuyosala bani, kuyohamba bani. Asilindeni sibone ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Ngithi danko bafowethu.